Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Outlook not sending or receiving emails until restart. If you've been experiencing this frustrating issue where Outlook only works after you restart the app, this simple repair process should get everything running smoothly again. Let's get started. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step ensures that Outlook is running and helps you verify whether the issue is still occurring. Once your emails have loaded, you'll be able to see if messages are stuck in your outbox or if new emails aren't coming through as expected. Now, to fix Microsoft Outlook not sending or receiving emails until restart, we need to access your App and Features window. Press your Windows key on your keyboard and type in App&Features, then hit Enter. This will open the settings area where Windows manages all your installed applications. The App and Features section is particularly useful for troubleshooting software issues because it gives you access to advanced repair options that most users don't know about. Once the Apps and Features window appears, click on Apps and Features option on the left side menu. You'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps you have installed on your system unit. This list might be quite long depending on how many programs you've installed over time. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the window and type in Outlook. This will filter the results and bring up Microsoft Outlook much faster than scrolling through everything manually. Click on the Outlook result that appears to reveal additional options. Once the options expand, you'll see a button labeled Advanced Options. Click on Advanced Options to proceed. This section contains powerful tools for managing how Outlook behaves on your system, including repair and reset functions that can resolve many common issues. Now, if you're having trouble with your Microsoft Outlook not sending or receiving emails, and it always requires you to restart the app, a good fix would be repairing your Microsoft Outlook installation. From the Advanced Options page, scroll down until you find the Reset section. Here you'll see two options, Repair and Reset. The Repair option is what we want because it fixes corrupted files and settings without deleting your emails or account information. Click on the Repair button to proceed with the software repair. Windows will now begin the repair process, which might take a minute or two depending on your system. During this time, Outlook will scan its files and configuration settings, fixing anything that's broken or misconfigured. You don't need to do anything during this process, just let it complete. Once the repair finishes, close the settings window and reopen Microsoft Outlook. Your app should now send and receive emails properly without requiring constant restarts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.